Here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Okay, Mary of Lakewood, Colorado wrote in and said, they state, been there, seen it, covered it, paid the claim, blah, 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 a total lie. Our roof leaked, causing severe damage to the living room ceiling and whole front wall. The ceiling is about to cave in from the water damage. We called insurance company to come look at it, and they said because the leak was not caused from weather damage to the roof, there was no coverage at all. They wouldn't even cover the ceiling to be fixed. We will be changing insurance companies. Don't trust insurance company to take care of you. They didn't take care of us. Okay. As much as it pains me to say this. If it's not covered in the policy, the insurance company doesn't have to pay for it. If it's excluded in the policy, they definitely don't have to pay for it. But this is the deal. If it's wear and tear, again, there's so many variables that could be happening here. If it's wear and tear on your roof that created or allowed the leak to come into your property and damage the ceiling and then the wall, or all of it together, wear and tear is not covered in any of the policies that I have ever seen. And so if it's not from a storm created opening that was caused by a storm, and it could be one of many, wind damage, tornado, hail, lightning, right? I mean, a bunch of different storm damage that could occur at the property. If it wasn't created by that, or the damage wasn't sudden and direct to the property because of storm-related causation, we'll just call it that, such as what I had mentioned before, can you really ask the insurance company to pay for that? I don't know. I mean, there'd be a lot of stuff. Oh, well, my roof just wore down and man, I really want a new roof. Well, it's not covered. Again, you have to look in the policy, okay? So what's not covered needs to be discovered before you realize it's not covered. And that's the thing, a lot of people don't read their policies. I don't blame you, it's boring as hell. Like, I don't like reading them either. But guess what? I do it because I want to make sure that I'm educated in a way to be able to help the clients that need it. And the best way for you to be educated is to look at your policy, or guess what? You could always call your agent and ask them specifically, what coverages do I have? What are the maximums? Does it cover this? Does it cover that? Whatever your specific needs are, you need to make sure you're being covered for. Everybody's got different needs. And you must make sure you're covered for yours. That is a responsibility you have as the policyholder and the property owner. So, sometimes the insurance company is right. Did I just hear myself properly? Did I just say that out loud? But yes, it's true. That happens. So, if you need help on legitimate storm damage that is covered by your policy and the insurance company's not paying, we want to know about it. If it's not covered or if it's excluded in your policy and there is no coverage for it, unfortunately there's nothing we can do to help you out. But trust me when I say you want to know what you're covered for before the storm occurs. Otherwise, you're totally screwed. So, if you are covered and the insurance company is not paying, or they're denying the claim, or they're underpaying the claim, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.